Pabitora Wildlife Sanctuary is a wildlife reserve in the Morigaon district of the state of Assam in India. It is located about 30 kilometers east of Guwahati. The Pabitora Wildlife Sanctuary is about 48 kilometers by road from Guwahati. It is a 1-hour drive through a road passing by River Brahmaputa and a small portion of the village of Mayong. It has a dense population of the great Indian one-horned rhinoceros. It covers 38.8 square kilometers. Though the total notified area of the park is 38.80 square kilometers, only 16 square kilometers is the effective rhino habitat. Pabitora was declared a reserved forest in 1971 and a wildlife sanctuary in 1987. It covers flat floodplains and a hillock. Biodiversity. Pabitora is mainly famous for its great Indian one-horned rhinoceros. Besides rhinoceros, the other animals are leopard, wild boar, barking deer, wild buffalo, etc. Assam's Pabitora Wildlife Sanctuary is also home to more than 2,000 migratory birds and various reptiles. It is also an important bird area. In Pabitora Wildlife Sanctuary, there are now around 93 rhinos, a 10% increase over the last 6 years. These 93 rhinos are surviving on merely 16 square kilometer area of the park. Pabitora has exceeded its rhino-bearing capacity and is overpopulated. The animals have begun moving outside the sanctuary in search of food, and chances of serious man-animal conflicts are quite ripe. Besides, the straying animals carry the risk of contracting diseases that afflict domestic animals. Under the Indian Rhino Vision 2020, which is a joint program of the Department of Environment and AMP Forests Government of Assam, WWF India, the International Rhino Foundation and the U.S. Fish and AMP Wildlife Service, 6 rhinos were translocated from Pabitora and reintroduced into the Manas National Park between December 2010 and January 2011. Earlier, under the same program, 2 rhinos were similarly translocated from Pabitora to the Manas National Park in 2008. Pabitora is a very beautiful place. Pabitora is also home to over 375 species of birds. Tourism attractions. Pabitora is running a successful rhino breeding program within its sanctuary. It is running under Indian government as Indian Rhino Vision 2020. Places to see in Pabitora include Haddock Hanging Bridge and Garong of Beal Pond. Elephant rides and jeep safaris are major activities which are held by management.